name is Lynn Sowens, and I work for the Bay Hammock Company at thebayhammock.com. And at the moment, I'm making a double-size Enviro rope hammock. Now, our Enviro rope is a new product that we just started making this season, and it has fast become my favorite to work with because it looks like cotton, feels like cotton, but of course, it's recycled plastic bottles, so it'll last much longer than cotton. And I just put my tension in. I put my tension in the hammock at the ends by measuring down my pole a foot. And that makes sure that the consistency is the same all the way through.